Hi, this is Nika with Black Label Group. You also know me as Unique Interior Designs. Right now we're working on 3 flips. One of them's done. We're working on the other 2. So I thought I'd share with you today 4 design trends for fix and flips. The first is always the color. As everyone knows, you definitely in flips want to stay neutral. But I would also say that, make sure that even if you are using whites and staying light, that you don't, that you do have some like warmer, a little bit warmer tone. You don't want to be like, you come in and it's like, so like you're in a hospital and it's like too bright white. So keep that in mind. Also for the next thing, you want to have the styles. And most of the time you want to stay true to your style, to the architecture of the home. If there isn't really a style, then you just want to kind of keep it to a wide audience. In California, we're used to really the mid-century modern and a lot of the Spanish colonials. But a lot of times now people are, even for the Spanish colonials, which one that we're working on right now, is going to be that you kind of modernize it. So you can do a little bit of both, like have a little excitement that's pulling in the architecture and keep like one that we have some barrel ceilings and keep the beauty and the character of the architecture, but modernize it a little bit. Then the third one is make a statement. I know that seems kind of contradictory since before I said you want to stay neutral with things, but actually you don't want it to be so boring that they're like, walk through this house and it looks like everything else that's in your comp. You want to have something that where it sets you apart. And I like to achieve the statement in you have a couple of different choices and areas. For one, you can have a bold statement on a countertop. Mostly we're using a lot of people use the quartz countertop, and you can have the wide veining that's happening right now. You could do it with color, with some high contrast, that if your cabinets are a little more white or light, that you do a dark one on it, or you mix the 2 colors. I also like to do it in the backsplash. I call it the jewelry of the kitchen is in the backsplash. I don't like to take the countertop all the way and have the same thing. I think it's a little bit boring, but yeah, so you can play around with it. You don't have to have a bold color in the backsplash. It can be a little bit of texture, even if it's in the same monochromatic tone that you're keeping neutral for the kitchen. Also, you can do an accent wall in your living room. And it can be more than just a color. I've seen, and we've done a lot where you just even put, you've seen like the squares and the things, but you can do little trim designs and then make that the color accent wall, and have little trims and have designs with it. So it's actually pretty cool. And if you do read my article later, I show you some ideas for that. And you can see the photos, but for now I'm just explaining it. The next thing that you want to do is fixtures or trends. Of course you see that you want to have nice fixtures. They're not that expensive to kind of use the nice fixtures. Nowadays the black and gold is still real popular. What I've seen recently is mixing the metals, which is always really fun for me. And don't be afraid of that. People are like, oh, my stainless steel is, all my appliances are stainless steel. How could I do a different color? But, mixing the metals is nice. So you want to do that. That's actually getting very, very popular right now too. And it's really cool. Mixing even with the white and the black in the fixtures. Another thing too with fixtures, especially in the master, do multiple functions, like have a hand shower. It's always nice to have that, and put it on a slide bar. Don't forget that part of it, so multiple people can use it. And the other thing with fixtures you might want to, with all the trend with the COVID, is the ones where you don't have to use your hands or touch anything. The touchless ones are very, very popular right now too. They even have voice activated. So that's it for now. I check back later and I'll go into more detail about each one of these 4 things. And like I said, I also have the article so you can see, as our world is very visual, that you can actually see the photos to go along with it. Thank you, and check back. Again, Nika Rovac with Black Label Group, and our website is coming out soon. We're very, very excited. That's www.blacklabelgroup, blacklabel.group. So just put that on there to check and look for that soon, and have a good weekend. Thank you.